Welcome. If you've ever wanted to find all your Instagram comments by date using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, tracking your comment history is easier than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you quickly locate any comment you've made, sorted by the exact date you want. First, open Instagram in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen for the menu. Click on the menu icon to expand your options. From the menu, select your activity. This is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on the platform, from posts you've liked to comments you've left. In this section, you'll see a list of different activity types. Find the Interaction section and click on Comments. This will bring up a list of every comment you've made across Instagram, organized from newest to oldest. Now, here's where it gets really convenient. At the top of the Comments page, you'll see the Sort and Filter option. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose a specific date range for your comments. Select the start and end dates that you're interested in, then click Apply. Instantly, Instagram will filter your comments, showing only those that match your chosen time frame. This method is perfect for finding a specific comment you left weeks or even years ago, or for simply reviewing your interactions over time. Whether you want to revisit an old conversation, clean up your comment history, or just stay organized, these steps make it simple and efficient. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can now view, sort, and filter your entire Instagram comment history by date, all from your PC. Stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!